Hey everybody, you've got a couple labs to do and they should take a little bit of time, but the purpose of these labs that you'll be doing is to really develop conceptually what's going on in circuits as well as some of the math. Now, some of these will deal with light bulbs, so again, grab a battery. Uh, I think it says to change it to 10 volts. It may say 20, I don't remember, sorry. And you're basically building a simple circuit with a light bulb and a couple wires, and the light bulb should light up. Yay, we got light. Again, if you want values, you can put the values in there. So you're going to have to be changing these circuits a little bit. So you're going to have to be taking them apart. Again, you double click at any joint and clip it, and now it's apart. I can double click anywhere and clip it. If you wanted to add an ammeter in here, I could just simply put an ammeter right in there to measure the current through that light bulb. Yay. Now we know the current in there, which you could figure out because you know Ohm's law by now, and 10 divided by 10 is 1. So anyway, I'm going to remove this, delete. And you're going to be building some tougher circuits for this lab, and one of them in particular is the parallel circuit. So what I would really suggest doing when you build the parallel is drawing it the way it looks in the lab. So if I remember correctly, because I don't have it in front of me, you're gonna have one going up, you're gonna come down, like it's kind of squarish. So I'm, oops, spinning that puppy around there. And I don't want to do the whole lab for you, but you get the idea. I would build it so it, like wire for wire, it looks like the one in the lab. So here's my circuit for parallel. And you could connect all these back. I don't want to give anything away, but and then you'd have one more wire connecting that last piece. But I just wanted to show you how to do that. Also, if you need, there's a point where you need to connect an ammeter in series or before the first junction. So you break the first junction, clip, and you can add an ammeter in there. That's a voltmeter, silly. You add an ammeter right before that first junction, and that'll measure the current at before the first junction. Other places it says to add an ammeter, to measure the current in the light bulb. So I'm going to grab that here, and you just do this, connect, and now I'll have the current in that light bulb. Nothing too crazy. Also, I mean, if you're bored, I'm pretty sure they have random stuff. I'm serious. If you're bored, see if your dog can conduct electricity. Not only in the app, only in the video. I mean, in the simulation. I'm pretty sure the dog no longer conducts, and you can increase the voltage to something super crazy if you want, but it doesn't matter. The dog doesn't conduct, but maybe a pencil does. I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling, and your time is valuable. So that's basically how you're going to be building circuits. You can always take readings with the voltmeter by touching both sides of a light bulb like this. We can connect. Oh, yay. Now we know the voltage. Remember to ignore the negatives. If you want to know the current flowing through this light bulb, you cut the circuit, you throw an ammeter in there, you grab that ammeter, and now we know the current through that one. We know the voltage on this one. It's so exciting. And you'll just follow along with the lab to develop the concepts. Normally, we would be doing this for real, but, well, this is our situation. So I hope it's okay. We will be going over this at some point to make sure everything you were supposed to see in the lab, you definitely saw, and you have the proper concepts and new math. Again, hope all is well. Don't hesitate to email me with questions, and you can stop in for office hours anytime you want.